What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. And I got my pizza right here. Make sure you get some pizza. Besides that, I want to jump into the Bitcoin price. I hope you're having a great day. If you woke up this morning, you're blessed. You know, I wanted to drop this message before we jump into the Bitcoin price. The message of the day is time is a vapor. You know, we're never going to be able to get back yesterday. We're never going to be able to get back even 5 minutes ago, 1 minute ago. So, you know, you just have to live your life the best way you can. I want to encourage you to spread positivity, love, and, you know, do the best you can every day. And don't worry about the haters, right? Just keep doing what you do. I want to just send you guys that love, positivity, good energy, and peace and abundance on this Monday afternoon. And again, happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. 20,000 Bitcoin, or 10,000 Bitcoin, sorry, was worth $40 back in the day. $41 for 2 boxes of pizza. That's almost, what, 30 million, 40 million, somewhere along those lines. Oh, man. So, you know, hodl your Bitcoin, guys, and let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at Chris9407, Instagram Chris9407. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price. I've been looking at these bank stocks, man, and for some reason they keep pumping. Looking at these regional banks. So this is one of them that I was looking at, and it passed this alert that I had here. So if you trade options, that's an opportunity for you to make some money. All right, but right now we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Right now we are at 26,872. We were down to, yesterday we got down to a low of 26.5. So we went from 26.5, popped all the way back up here to 27,000. Then we came down, and now we're at 26.8. Let's look at market cipher, see what's possibly going to happen in the future. So we did have this green dot at 11 o'clock. Let's look at that. 11 o'clock. See if we can get this out of the way. All right, green dot happened here. And if you would have went long here, then you would have made some money. If you're trading, be careful. If you are trading, it's better to stack, all right, versus try to trade. Especially if you try to use excessive leverage. Be careful. You will get clapped, and you will get liquidated, and you will lose your money. But if you're experienced and you want to trade, I use BingX, and that link will be below. So make sure that you sign up using BingX if you want to trade. So let's continue. Now, again, looking at the market cipher indicator, money flow is green, which is great. We got a green dot, which is great. We got VWAP pointing up, which is great. We got RSI, stochastic RSI pointing up, which is also great. This is looking good. On the hourly, we're above these two moving averages, and we're below this one moving average here, which is this red one. I'll put an alert here. 27,000. Boom. I see a lot of people saying that we could dump down to 25,000, 22,000, and because of that sentiment and everybody thinking that it could go down, I'm going to go against the grain and go against what everybody's saying and just say that we're going to go up. Now, I could be 100% wrong, but because I think everybody is saying the same things, I think it's going to do the opposite, because Bitcoin likes to do the opposite of what people say. So, and what people are thinking. So let's see here. If we do lose this level, we can come right back down to where we touched before, which is that 26.5 level, or we can come down here and tap and bounce off the daily and weeklies closes, which we have here. So that's what that D and that W stands for. This is weekly, this is daily close. boom, and then go up. But what I will do is I'll put an alert here as well. That way, if we do get below, we'll be notified. And I'll also put another alert here if we do go down past here. Let's jump to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Let's look at market cipher first. All right, we are green. Money flow is green. However, VWAP is starting to, looks like it's shifting down, turning down a little bit. But momentum is looking up. Stochastic RSI pointing up as well. So that's looking good. We got, this is looking like a large bear flag. However, we'll see what happens. Let's see. We have this point of control. We're right at the point of control, which is this white line here. And that pretty much shows where the control point is for Bitcoin and where the most volume is, which is right here. If you look to the right hand side here. And if we can get above, again, I already have those alerts set. That one alert set. So hopefully we can get above 27,000. If not, what's this at? 26.3. I'll put another alert at 26.3 because this is one of my support levels as well. All right, well, it looks like we're just consolidating and, trading sideways at the moment. Now, this candle did just turn green, so again, it's looking pretty good because, again, money flow is pointing up, RSI and money flow is green, so it's looking pretty good to me, in my opinion. Let's jump to the daily chart. Daily chart, we have a red dot, which is not good. Money flow red. And we have VWAP pointing down. So not looking too good as far as the daily chart goes, even though this could always change. But right now, that red dot is not looking good. We could do something like this, right? We can come down and then back up. Oh, man, so that's not looking too good if the daily has a red dot. And money flow is red. And VWAP is pointing down. And RSI and stochastic RSI is pointing down. Not looking good for the long term. But there's a lot of different things going on as far as, the markets and rates and inflation and numbers and all that stuff. So all these things we got to take into account when we are, trying to determine if you're going to be trading or not. But this is why we say don't trade. Just stack your Bitcoin. And you don't got to worry. DCA, so you don't got to worry. The lower the Bitcoin goes, the better, because that means the more Satoshis you will be able to stack. But we are below these ribbons here. Let's jump to the weekly. All right, weekly, let's look at the market cipher. All right, weekly, it looks like the VWAP is pointing up. Money flow is still down in red. VWAP is looking like it's trying to go up. RSI, stochastic RSI, flat. Money flow or the wave momentum is pointing down, which is right here. We'll see how that plays on the weekly time frame. So let's look at the candles here. All right, so on the weekly, we can come back down to, again, 20. All right, so we got this ribbon here, 25.6, 25,000, which are already marked off as far as alerts go. If we do decide to come down even farther, but I do think we could pump. But we'll see what happens. If we lose this level, there's a big volume gap there. So, that's Bitcoin will go to where the volume goes. Any asset using the volume nodes will help you determine where it will go, because assets tend to trade at the prices where there is the most volume. That's why I have these volume nodes on the right side of the screen. So with that being said, that's going to be the Bitcoin price update. I hope you guys been stacking away. I'm going to eat my pizza now and head home. It's about to rain. It is raining, actually. And this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love. Make sure you hit that like, please. Make sure you share. Make sure you subscribe. And get you some pizza for Bitcoin Pizza Day. Don't buy anything with your Bitcoin. Just stack your Bitcoin. And much love, you guys. Peace.